Mangoes are not only delicious and refreshing but also offer a wide range of health benefits due to their rich nutritional content. They are tropical fruits native to South Asia but are now cultivated in many parts of the world. Here are some of the potential health benefits of mangoes. 1. Rich in nutrients. Mangoes are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, as beta-carotene, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. 1. They also contain small amounts of vitamin B6, vitamin K, and calcium. 2. Boosts immunity. Mangoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system and protect the body against infections and illnesses. 3. Supports digestive health. Mangoes contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. 3. The enzymes in mangoes, such as amylases, help break down carbohydrates and improve overall digestion. 4. Promotes eye health. Mangoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. 4. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision and promoting eye health. 5. May help reduce cancer risk. Mangoes contain antioxidant compounds like quercetin, fisetin, and gallic acid, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties and may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. 6. Alkalizes the body. Despite being acidic in taste, mangoes have an alkalizing effect on the body when metabolized, which can help balance the body's pH levels. 7. Improves skin health. The high vitamin A content in mangoes promotes healthy and radiant skin. 7. Additionally, mangoes contain antioxidants that help protect the skin from premature aging and damage caused by free radicals. 8. Regulates blood pressure. Mangoes are a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. 9. Aids weight management. Mangoes are low in calories and fat while being rich in fiber, making them a filling and nutritious snack that can support weight management. 10. Boosts brain health. Some compounds in mangoes, such as glutamine acid, have been linked to improved concentration and memory. 11. Hydrates the body. With a high water content, approximately 83%, mangoes can help keep the body hydrated, especially in hot weather. As with any fruit or food, moderation is key, as excessive consumption of mangoes can contribute to a high sugar intake. People with allergies to certain fruits, especially latex fruit syndrome, should also be cautious when consuming mangoes, as they are in the same plant family as some allergenic fruits. Enjoying mangoes as part of a balanced diet can be a delightful and healthy addition to your nutrition, providing you with a host of nutrients and potential health benefits.